So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually set aspect ratio on your Startimes decoder or the screen size on your Startimes decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote, press on the menu button, that's the M symbol on your remote, and here use the arrow left button or the volume down button, and then switch it to the other side. You look through and then put it on settings, press OK on it, and here on the menu just look for the display settings over here and press OK on it. So when you come here, you have the aspect ratio. You can change it to the zoom, pillar box, crop, letter box, and then after changing it, all you got to do is to press on the exit button and go and then check it. And we have the video option over here. If the screen resolution, you can actually change it over here, 1080i and then 720p over here. Alright, so all you got to do after selecting your preferred choice, all you got to do is to press on the exit button to check whether that's the right one that fits your TV screen. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, you got to do subscribe, like the video, share on other platform, and you'll be blessed. Thanks for watching.